cytochrome P, 450, 2D6, and 2C19, and also SALT 1A1 phenotype. And it's a clinical trial that is that occurred in Italy, and patients were studied in a retrospective manner, whereby these patients were female or women that has undergone hysterectomy, that is, their womb have already been removed, which may be because of cancer or something. So they were put on tamoxifen, and tamoxifen, as we know, is a preventive drug that prevents cancer or breast cancer or other cancers. So they were put on this drug for 5 years, and they were studied. And what proved this research was that after the whole thing, they said, okay, whilst we've had this number of patients and they are on this drug, why don't we study the pattern if the drug is going to be effective? And they first have to check what the form of the drug, the metabolism pathway of the drug, and they, which is the most of it being a prodrug, it's only active, or the active form is after it has undergone metabolism, the phase 1 metabolism. Either it uses this path or it uses this path, but this is the major path, whereby it's have to become NDM term, then cytochrome 2D6 work on it to become endosifen, that is the active form. And at this stage, the sulfotransferases, that is another enzyme that aids in elimination, plays its role. So at this same stage, this one is also occurring, whereby it affects the bioavailability of the drug in the blood or in the patient. So they try to check the two factors that will affect the bioavailability of the drug or the active form in the patient. So one, the enzymes that are metabolizing them, and also the enzymes that are eliminating them. They put those things in check. So they use actually there were 5,420 people that were on the drug, but 47 of them after the 5 years developed breast cancer. And they said, okay, now we are going to use these 47 people in the treatment. Then they sampled 135 people in the placebo arm. And after that, they did the genotyping and the phenotyping. And the method that we use is the blood was sampled using the QIMP DNA blood kit, as Professor introduced us to it this morning. And they did the polymorphism analysis, and also there's a statistical tool that aided in the analysis. So the polymorphism analysis, we come to the cytochrome P 2D6 genotyping. They use an Ampli chip. It's it's produced by Roche. Yeah. So this is as the pictures are right there.